Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI video using CapCut AI. So CapCut AI Video Maker is the best free tool for you if you want to use it for creating an AI video. You can just use it on mobile or PC like I do in here. So just go to the AI Video Maker. Here there are four main options that you can select: it: instant AI video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, and match media to script in one click. And there are also available templates that you can select it and choose. So in here now, I'm going to just go with instant AI video. You can just choose the style, choose the aspect ratio, and generate the script. Here I'm going to go with cartoon 3D, and for the script or the topic, I'm going to just go with a story about a little girl who wants to have her own castle. Okay, now you can choose the voice. In here I'm going to go with Miss La Baby for storytelling, and the duration I'm going to go with 1 minute. Now you can just tap on create and let CapCut AI creating your AI video. You can just wait until the script, voiceover, and the video is finished. Okay, so my animations AI video is done. This one has 1 minute durations, and when you generate it using CapCut, it also comes with the script. So it also comes with the voiceover and also the subtitles. So let's play it to preview the result. Okay, so here if you want to edit the scenes, you can just click on the three dots icon, and here you can choose to delete or duplicate. And here you can also replace it or trim the clip. And if you see on the left side in here, you can also modify the script again, adjust the scene, add some elements, and also add music. But if you're already satisfied with the result, you can just hit on export. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.